In this part of the video, I will be showing you how to install and uninstall peripherals. First, I will be installing a microphone which uses a USB connection that looks like this. Peripherals usually install automatically once plugged in. As you can see from this video, the screen says that the software has been installed and is ready to use. In order to prove that this device is working, I have gone to a website called onlinemictest.com. As you can see, we first have to select the microphone as the input device for sound. Then refresh the page and it will display the sound wave which shows that it is playing. If you want to uninstall the device, then you must go to Start, search for Device Manager, select your device on the Sound, Video and Game Controller. Right click it and select Uninstall. Click OK to uninstall the device. Now here you should click yes to restart your computer, but I will show you what happens when you click no. As you can see, the microphone still works. Therefore, we're going to restart the computer to make sure it is fully uninstalled. Now that the computer has restarted, we can see that the microphone no longer works and that we can no longer select it either. Now I will be showing you how to uninstall and install a webcam which connects via USB. First, in order to uninstall the webcam, we have to go to the Device Manager . Then to Imaging Devices and select the webcam. Here we can either right click it or select the uninstall button up above. Now I will unplug it and plug it back in. And as you can see, it has installed automatically. Now we'll go to webcamtest.com in order to test the webcam. Here is the webcam I will be using, and I will start by allowing the browser access to the device. As you can see, it is recording. I will now show you how to install a program. First, you must double click on the launcher. Click yes. Always read or skim through the license agreement so that you're aware of the conditions that you need to know to use this software legally. Using the browse option, you can select where you want to install it. I recommend leaving it as it is. Click install once you've finished. Now in this part, you must configure the software so that it matches your preferences. For example, I want there to be a desktop shortcut for this application. Once you're finished, click OK, and it should be installed. As you can see, the application is running just fine. Now I'm going to show you how to defragment your hard drive. First, right click, go down to Properties, select Tools, then select Defragment Device. Once you see the menu, select the hard drive you want to defragment and click Defragment Disk. It usually takes a few hours, so I'm going to skip ahead. and just show you what it should look like once it's done. Now I'm going to show you how to use the application we downloaded earlier to compress your files. Here I have a work folder that has a bunch of important files inside. All I have to do is right click the folder and select add to work.rar, and it will compress them. As you can see, the file size of the compressed folder is now smaller than the original folder, with the original being 310 bytes and the compressed file being 1.147 bytes. Now I will show you how to back up the compressed file into an external hard drive. First, select the location within the hard drive in which you want to store the file. Make sure it is a logical location that you can find later, and then drag and drop the file into that location. I will now show you how to remove a virus using an antivirus. The file is a harmless virus used to test antivirus software. You can either use scan everything or select a specific place you want to scan. In this case, we will be selecting the desktop. As you can see, the antivirus has detected the file. Now all we have to do is click Options and Delete. Now we click Resolve. Now notice the file containing the virus, which I selected earlier, has now been deleted. And finally, I will be showing you how to uninstall WinRAR. First go to Start menu, then Control Panel. Then look for Programs and click Uninstall Program. Now all you have to do is find the selected program, right click and click Uninstall. As you can see, the shortcut in the desktop menu has disappeared and there are no programs installed.